how to gain followers in your Threads account. Today in this video, I'll show you a couple of options or things that you can do in order to achieve that, so follow up with me. First, open the Threads app and wait for it to fully load up. Once it does, tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner right here, and then from there tap on followers. Now tap on following at the top right there, and then tap on this little see all button. Basically here you'll get a list of all of the people that you follow on Instagram. You can follow them individually one by one, or you can follow them all at once by tapping here in the bottom. Now they will get a notification of your request and they can accept your request, and after that they probably will follow you back, and that's how you gain some followers. And that's for the first step. Another thing you can do is to tap right here on the bottom to create posts. Make sure you create interesting posts to gain followers and make people interested in your content basically. And you can go ahead and write the post there and tap on post to post them. You can go to your home screen right here and interact with posts from other people and basically share your opinions and replies under their posts. And that's how you attract some attention towards your account and you'll get a bigger following. And that's how we do it, guys. I hope this video was helpful. Please like and comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe for future videos like this one, and thank you very much for watching.